The Fractal Design North XL launched today. Whoa, jeez, not off to a great start, but let's carry on. It's the full tower version of the award-winning PC case from last year. And, well, looks exactly the same, but it's a little bit bigger than the mid-tower version. 2 thumb screws to release the tempered glass side panel, plus an additional thumb screw for the smaller panel. Here's a size comparison with the XL at the front and the mid-tower case from last year at the back. I managed to squeeze in a full custom loop in this case, with 2 radiators and a Zotac Amp 4090, plus the CPU was the 14900K. And here's where it's going to live in my setup, right next to Sauron. Old mid-tower version, new version. So massive shout out to Computer Lounge, my local PC store, for letting me play with all these amazing parts. And check out the next video where I'm going to be transferring all of this gear into the new case.